Are you looking for a roll-off dumpster rental in Jacksboro, Texas, for a cleanup after a major home renovation? Roll-Off Solutions is proud to offer efficient and reliable roll-off dumpster rental services. We understand the challenges of waste management and are committed to providing customized solutions that meet your needs. At Roll-Off Solutions, we pride ourselves on being a trusted name for dumpster rentals in Jacksboro and the surrounding areas. Our team offers a range of roll-off dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale, whether you're cleaning out a garage, working on a landscaping project, or overseeing a primary construction site. We have the right solution for every need. Roll-Off Solutions is committed to environmentally responsible waste disposal. We ensure that your debris is handled correctly and complies with local regulations. Ready to make your cleanup hassle-free? Let Roll-Off Solutions handle the waste so you can focus on what matters most. Call us today at 940-531-8150 or visit www.roswaste.com. Dumpster Rental Jacksboro TX to find the perfect dumpster for your project. We're here to make your next project smoother, cleaner, and more manageable.